Hello, real estate investor. This is Edwin. Today we are going to be going over the borrower info tab as well as the contacts tab. If you remember in our previous video, we are in our pipeline and we are actually opening the loan file. So we are not in the snapshot view. We clicked on open the loan file. Once you are in, your default view is the full app, which we covered the last video. And in this video, we're going to be covering the borrower info tab and contacts info tab. The one thing that you're going to notice about the borrower info tab is it has almost all of the information that is in your borrower profile. That's why it's so important that you keep your borrower profile up to date. And then once it's up to date, all of this information is plug and play. It really is as long as you have the same email address, first name, last name, same email address, and then of course the entity name, everything else is plugged in based on the information that you've provided before. So just to, again, let you know, that's why it's so important to keep that information up to date. This is not necessary. One of the things that you're going to recognize is you're probably not going to go to the borrower info tab that much at all. What you will focus on is the borrower profile right here. So that's what you want to keep up to date. We have this information right here just so that you're aware, hey, this is the information that is for this specific loan file. Maybe you have, for this one loan file, you want to have a mailing address that is different, or maybe you want to create a new entity just specific to this loan file. You can do that here as well instead of having to go to your profile. So that is the borrower info tab. Let's go over here to the contacts tab. And the reason why I'm not diving into the property info tab, that's a pretty hefty one. That's going to be a different video. And then the loan information tab and docs, like all of these are going to be different videos. So we'll have a video specific to each one of these. But here's your contacts tab. This allows you to see all of the contacts that we have labeled for your loan file. So if there is a contact here that you need as part of your contacts, then we can add that client. You cannot add any contacts to the loan file, only we can. So you can, of course, send us a note. Let us know, I need to add this contact to my loan file. That contact could be an attorney, it could be an appraiser, it could be a real estate agent, it could be a property management company, it could be a handyman, you name it. Anybody that is going to be involved with you on that project from this point all the way until you pay the loan back, we could add that client or add that vendor, that company, whoever they are. We can add them to your loan file. That way it's right here and it makes it easy access for us and for you to reference, hey, this is the vendor that is assigned to this loan file. That way you're not calling random vendors for other projects. You have all of the contact information as well as we have the contact information for those contacts on this specific loan file. So thank you very much. That's been a pretty quick video. And in the next video, we're actually going to dive into the property info tab.